How to use insurance transcription to detect and avoid fraud. Cases of insurance fraud in the U.S. have consistently been rising. About 20% of insurance claims filed in 2022 were suspected to be fraudulent. Statistics reveal that the U.S. government loses a staggering $308.6 billion annually to insurance fraud. These losses are passed on to insurance companies and eventually to consumers. At GMR Transcription, we regularly interact with multiple insurance companies experiencing fraud claims and provide them with reliable transcription services to identify and combat such claims. The use of insurance transcription to curb fraud. With cases of insurance fraud going up by the day, it is important to do what you can to avoid it. So, let's now discuss how insurance transcription can help prevent fraudulent claims. 1. It provides information in different forms. Audio, video, and text files containing the same information make it easier for different kinds of people to understand. For instance, those with hearing impairment can read the transcribed text and get the necessary details. Having information in different forms is essential since insurance cases involve multiple parties. 2. Easy retrieval of information. While audio and video files are easy to store, you also need a text document stored for future reference. You should have a physical file that can be retrieved easily when electronic gadgets are not within reach. 3. Easy detection of fraud. When someone lies, they can easily contradict themselves in their speech. You may not notice it when listening to an audio file. However, transcribed information reveals more since you won't concentrate on the narrator's intonation or accent. 4. It saves time. Claim investigation is a tedious process. Listening to long audio files makes you vulnerable to missing some important information. Transcribed files are easier to read, and they enable you to save time and avoid mistakes that can be made due to exhaustion. Through investigation, you can gather every piece of information needed. Insurance transcription services are helpful when it comes to detecting fraud. They provide text documents that are easier to read, analyze, store, and share. For this reason, it is prudent always to have your audio and video files transcribed. Are you looking for insurance transcription services? Visit gmrtranscription.com or call us today at 1-800-731-7412. Let our expert team handle your transcription needs with accuracy and efficiency.